What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? I am excited for this one, guys. As you can see, I got new lighting. I can control it with just a touch of a finger. I could change the light of the colors. Yeah, guys, I'm excited to do this one. But yeah, as y'all can see, this is gonna be just a wheel swap. Yeah, I seen this Alice in the Wonderland. I know y'all seen these before in the past, and I just barely seen these at I think it was at a HEB, but oh, there's all those. But yeah, guys, I want to bring y'all just a wheel swap. I am gonna do this ZAMAC, as y'all can see. It is a 2000 GTR 30 R33. It is a ZAMAC edition. But yeah, guys, I did go ahead and I did already drill them. Just a speed time. Okay, well, now it doesn't want to come apart. That's hilarious. Okay, well, there we go. Well, as you can see, the wheels already came off. But yeah, look at the detailing on this. I love this Volkswagen. And I did drill this one apart already. Hopefully it cooperates. Like, there we go. It's like the wheels already know what it's gonna happen. But yeah, I already drilled everything apart. I know it is the holidays, guys. Let me know how your holidays are going. Let me know how your Thanksgiving went. What you're gonna do for Christmas. And just what you're gonna do. Spend time with family. You adjust this light. Yeah, I'm still working with it, guys. Yeah, these are gonna be sweet on this ZAMAC. Yeah, just a little simple wheel swap. Look at that, guys. Yeah, that one's a little stiff. It's all good. Oh, you can't even see me do that. But yeah, guys, just a little simple wheel swap I wanted to do for y'all. Just get back on the, doing stuff for y'all, and thought I'd do this one. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. This is just a little quick video. I did do a haul video. I mean, I am going to do a haul video. I don't know when, but on what I got over Black Friday, and I just did my own little thing. But I don't know. I just think this Volkswagen just sweet. Just I didn't want to take the tires and the rims off, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do to do a wheel swap, especially on a ZAMAC. This thing is nice, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Um, I did find this guy. It's just a regular. I have another one, but this was actually at Home Depot. But yeah, with that, guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If If you want me to continue to do wheel swaps like that, quick, fast, get to the point. Or if y'all just want the long drawn process of me drilling, tapping, and all that, let me know, guys. That being said, guys, keep collecting, keep customizing. Peace out, guys.